Oh my god! What? Oh crud. Something's happening and I'm ultimate. Okay, I got you, Suki. I got you. I got you. Okay. Get near me. Get near me.
I'm putting this jump this.
Ah, fuck.
I have my ult, so I don't know where to use it.
Use it on them. You can circle them.
Well, this tag.
Spawn camping. Yeah, that.
Oh! Wolverine wasn't doing shit. I got ult.
Okay,
I didn't
Suki.
got no one.
Okay.
I didn't
Oh.
got no one.
It's okay.
But I died.
It's okay. My ult's almost ready.
Moon Knight dead.
What the freak? Didn't they use that not too long ago? Freak. Crud! I got kidnapped.
Heal. Oh, never mind.
Oh, I got health.
Jeff dead.
Dead. Wanda's almost dead. Got her.
Moon Knight got me.
I got Moon Knight. Got Moon Knight.
Oh yeah.
Got Jeff. Got Wanda. Let's go.
What the hell?
Moon Knight was close to dying.
Not us. It takes damage. They take damage from.
AFK.
What do you mean AFK? You told me too late.
Huh?
Sorry, give it the fuck.
Let's go.
How
Oh.
will we do that?
So you both can use your ults together at the same time and make Sharknado. Yeah, those bubble things help a lot.
Wolverine. Wolverine.
This mangy beast, get the I got him. I got you.
Okay, I gotta switch.
Yeah. I'm getting this mangy.
I didn't know where you guys left. I'm still in that one area.
Just stay in this bubble I have. You and me just need to focus on healing mostly.
I got.
Alright. Suki, get out of the freak. Sorry, bud.
You're good. You're good. I got their Jeff. They all hard focused me.
I keep ducking under, thinking that's the other thing.
Oh yeah, it'll take you a little bit to. Ah,
Oh shit.
dang it.
yeah.
It's okay. He killed me too.
Stupid.
Yeah, they're usually after the freaking healers. See? Thank you.
Already, but I don't know how do you
Freaking
use it.
Spider-Man, man.
Oh, I see that pink face.
Got him. I got him.
Oh, you
Shit. I didn't die from her ult.
that ass. Wolverine on top.
Where? Spit them out. Spit them
Yeah.
out. Yeah.
Okay.
Got him.
That's fine. I was killing time. I'm at 71. Oh, you guys don't need me. See that sacrifice